Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm just going to show you that how to turn on new phone notification on Instagram app, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Instagram app. After that, simply come to profile, and you can see three lines on the top right, nearby this plus icon. Just tap on these three lines, and here you get settings and privacy section. Just tap on that. So here you can see notification option. Let me highlight that option. This one, just simply tap on this option, and here you can see the option of followings and followers. Just simply tap on that option. So here you can see the new phones option on the right tab. So just if you want to toggle it on, simply click on this on checkbox. So like in this way you can toggle on new folders notification on Instagram app. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just simply like and subscribe to my channel.